Hey guys, I'm Whitney. So I'm flying back from Japan after like 2.5 months. So I've actually bought a lot of things, a lot of souvenirs from Japan. And in this video, I'm going to open up the things that I've bought. Yes, it's a really big package. It's this big, really big. And in this package, there's only food stuff. Cosmetic stuff is in another package. So yeah. So these are the tea. These two packages are houjicha. This is sencha and genmaicha. So it's mixed together, and this is Uji's specialty. It's called ganryo. So no idea how it tastes, but it's specialty. So I just bought this. It's only like 50 grams. I actually also bought this bottle. This is the Twis tea bottle. So because I usually drink the tea that is like tea leaf, so if I just put it in a bottle and drink like that, then I'll be keep drinking the tea leaf. So I don't really like that. This is actually not food, but it's something that it's actually Fukubukuro that I bought from Japan. That Fukubukuro costs like 1,000 yen only. So there's a shop that sells fan, and because I really want a fan and I really love traditional Japanese fan, and the fan there is actually like one fan 1,000 yen. So and I saw this Fukubukuro and it only cost 1,000 yen, and the Fukubukuro said that it has the fan inside, so I just buy the Fukubukuro. So once I open it up, it's packaged into 3 things like this. One is this pouch, which it's really surprisingly nice actually, you know. And then next I have this tray. It says it's a tray here. So there's this tray. No idea what's this for, but it's a really legit tray. It's 100% cotton, it says. Yep. It's a really legit tray. It's like this folding pen stand. So I suppose if you open it up, then you make it to like a cylinder, then you can put your pen inside, that kind of stuff. And then you also have this photo album 24 pocket, and this is a photo stand, a really nice Japanese style photo stand. The girl says that you will have some anime toys, so this is one of it. And this thing alone costs like 1,300, so it actually already exceeds the price of the Fukubukuro. So this is the thing that I want, the fan. Ooh. So it's actually a really nice fan, and it's a autumn theme fan. Oh, it's a really good one. Fan. In Malaysia, it's really suitable, and now I'm really very hot. And it comes with a bag to keep the fan. So this is what I want. It's not bad. It's a really nice item. I also have this keychain. This is the sushi keychain, the tamago sushi keychain. And actually I also got this watch. It's a really nice watch. Really nice watch. And this is the watch that I actually pretty like. I've actually thought of buying this kind of watch. And this one is Omiya Den board. It's this little guy over here. So these are all food, like legit food souvenirs, chocolate, biscuits, everything over here. I bought this mochi. It's actually a really hard mochi. You have to bake it, boil it, cook it. Mochi. Why I buy this? Because I want my family to try this Japanese dessert called zenzai. So it's a really nice dessert. It's a red bean mochi dessert. So it's really nice. And I also buy this for my mom. Well, you know why I buy this. I'll explain it to you later. So this one here, the first one here is the Tansan Senbei. Arima Onsen is famous for this Tansan Senbei. So this is the original flavor version. So basically Tansan Senbei, it's the saltiness, carbonated kind of senbei, so it's really nice. So I bought it. I bought this lotte, what do you guys? Strawberry and chocolate cake. Yeah, the time I bought the opera cake one, it's really nice. So I bought this to try the flavors. So another one is this kare senbei. This kare senbei, it's really famous in Kyoto. That it's spicy until that the maiko-san become like baby. That's why it's, yeah, this thing is, I actually tried it, it's really nice. Actually, it's very nice. But for me, it's not that spicy. It's just like normal spicy. This melty kiss, Hana Cheese. Okay. And the taste is really almost like crab meat kind of like cheese. Actually, it's just a green pea senbei. This is another type of senbei. It's a really old kind of senbei. Okay, so moving on next, I bought this Sakura Ebi and shirasu stuff for making rice. Nori wasabi, bukiyuki, and it's something like, you know, the squid kind of, you know, in Malaysia got all kind of squid kind of snacks, you know. It's pretty similar to that, but it's like wasabi fishy kind of smell. It says here that you can put it in chazuke or in salad. We bought this droplets. So this droplets is in milk flavor. So this is Sakura Ebi no Mai. So this thing is Sakura Ebi flavored crackers. These things, if you bought any souvenirs in Japan, like in all those souvenir stores, then they will wrap it up nicely for you to give it to your friends, family, you know, because in Japan they have this culture that they really like to give souvenirs to their family and friends. So yeah, that's why they do this. So it's so like in this kind of package, nicely wraps up. Let's be the first to try it. If it's nice, then I give. So there's a little prawn in there. That's Sakura Ebi. It's actually really prawn flavor. Really nice. How do I say it? It's like wow, really nice. It's like very crispy. You know, Malaysia kind of like keropok kind of things, but this is so flavorful. If you go traveling in Japan and you want to buy souvenirs, there's actually a lot of this kind of houjicha, no idea how to pronounce it. It's really, they say okoicha, means it's like really thick tea flavor. So all houjicha product is like a sandwich. So it's like biscuit, chocolate, biscuit. So it's like sandwich. And they all come in different flavor. If you go to Shizuoka, then you have this flavor. If you go to Gifu, then you have curry flavors. And this guy always won this Mon Selection kind of award. Yep, they actually won a lot of this award. So I bought this to try. So it looks like this. It looks pretty similar to, what do you call that? The Hokkaido famous Shiroi Koibito, but this one is in tea flavored, so really thick tea flavored. Yeah, this guy here is actually very thick tea flavored, but not the kind of matcha flavor. It's different from matcha, and it's pretty sweet. Okay, next, this one is another lunch chart. This one is honey cookies and butter flavor. They are all shaped like that. Yeah, the shape is all like that, like Shiroi Koibito kind of things. Oh, this is wonderful. Super. Oops. The honey taste is really nice. Frankai's Yokohama. So this thing is a milfoil. things. So it's like that. It's like that. It's really, really nice. So good. Inside it's like that. No hime ichigo, no cream, something daifuku. Wow, so soft. So it's like really daifuku. It's like this squishy kind of softness inside it. It's like daifuku, and maybe inside there's strawberry in it. Yep, there's strawberry in it, but it's strawberry cream instead. Pretty artificial, but it's very, very soft. So this thing here, it's also from Yokohama, and it's really heavy. No idea why. Oh yeah. Now I remember. Yeah, this is a really. I think it's a very chocolatey thing, if I'm not mistaken. So this is the Break the Chocolate. So it comes with actually a lot of flavors, but I only buy this. First is because if I buy another kind of flavors, I would want to eat all the flavors before others can try it. So just buy the same flavors so that some other people can try it as well. And further, so yep, this thing is like a cake, brownie kind of cake. It's just very chocolatey, moist cake, but it has like red bean in it. Why? So last thing from Yokohama I bought is this Yokohama Brick Street. So Yokohama, there's this red brick buildings, 2 buildings over there. So this represents that. And this guy here is soft caramel nuts. So it looks like this. Really hard, kind of like nutty, cakey. If you know sakema, right? Some Chinese kind of sweets. It's pretty similar to that in the sense that it's a really like kind of sakema because it has like cakes in it. And some weird one that I think that it will taste weird. Not sure it will taste nice, but it will taste weird. So the first is this Kit Kat sake. Next is this Kit Kat wasabi. Japan, how can there be no wasabi, right? So yeah, Kit Kat wasabi. Definitely will taste weird lah, I think. Don't know who going to finish it, but maybe I'll do a separate video about that for this Kit Kat. And this one is Kit Kat houjicha, hoji. So the last one is this Kit Kat Beni Imo. This one is angel pie. So if you normally know the kind of pie in Japan, it's like either marshmallow cream or what, but this one is strawberry diffuse, baked creamy cheese. I think this one is chocolate. Yeah, it's from Morinaga. It's from Morinaga, baked creamy cheese. I bought this Pocky. Yeah, it's mango flavors of chocolates. One of this is macadamia. This I bought it from Belmont Kiosk. I've actually tried macadamia chocolate and it tastes super wonderful. So I tried this premium version, and this premium version I suppose there's a special wine in it. So and another one is Lotte Calvados. This is chocolate with, I think it should be apple wine, and it's winter special. So the last food is this curry. So that's all from me for the food product. For the food. Oh right, there's one thing that I forgot. It's the only drink that I bought, that I brought back. So this is Atami Ume Shu. Since the video will be too long, I'll be putting the cosmetic product in the second video. That will be the second part.